So, good morning students. I will start cockroach. That is very important for you. Now, what is a cockroach? Cockroach made up of Spanish word that means cucaracha. Cockroach made up of Spanish word cucaracha. That means fast running. That means fast running. Okay. So cockroach present where the organic food is present in abundant, there cockroach present. And cockroach is the omnivorous. Nocturnal. Nocturnal and cannibalism present. What is the meaning of cannibalism? Cannibalism means जब वो क्या नाम है हंग्री होता है कॉकरोच यानी उसको फूड नहीं मिलता तो वो क्या करता है कि अपने ही जो इन्फेंट्स होते हैं अपना जो निम्फ होता है उसको ही क्या करता है एनगल्फ कर लेता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड कैनाबिलिज्म. नाउ we read what is the classification of cockroach. Phylum Arthropoda. What is the main feature of arthropoda? Jointed appendage present. ठीक है. Next class Insecta. Insecta is the largest class. And the body is divided into head, thorax, it is thorax and abdomen. बाकी का remaining part क्या कहलाता है? Abdomen. The body is divided into head, thorax and abdomen. Next order Arthroptera. Arthroptera means unequal, two pairs wings present, that is unequal. Okay, Arthroptera means two pairs of wings present, that is unequal. Now next genus Periplaneta, species Americana. Cockroach made up of a Spanish bird that is called cucaracha and that's meaning is fast running animals. Cockroach is omnivorous, nocturnal and cannibalism present. And the phylum of cockroach is Arthropoda. That means what is the main feature of Arthropoda? Body divided, jointed appendage present. Next Insecta, that is the largest class and the body is divided into head, thorax and abdomen. Order Arthroptera in which two pair wings present, that is unequal. And genus Periplaneta, species Americana. The body is divided. Up next अपन पढ़ेंगे morphology. What is the morphology of cockroach? How many segments present? Body is divided into head, thorax and abdomen. Head is in embryonic stage. How many segments present? Head, thorax and abdomen. Adult stage. Head, in embryonic stage, head is made up of 6 segments. Thorax is made up of 3 segments. 3 segments also present in adult, that is called prothorax, mesothorax and metathorax. Prothorax, mesothorax and metathorax is thorax division. Okay, so thorax is divided into 3 parts: prothorax, mesothorax and metathorax. Next, abdomen. Abdomen is made up of, in embryonic stage, 11 segments. Now in adult stage, the segments of head is fused and form one segment. Thorax 3 and abdomen 10. So total segment in embryonic stage is 20 and total segment in adult stage is 14. Okay. Now the body is divided into 3 parts: head, thorax and abdomen. Head in embryonic stage made up of 6 segments, and thorax is divided into 3 parts, and abdomen divided into 11 segments in embryonic stage. In adult stage, the 6 segments fuse and form one segment, that is one segment present in head, and abdomen is divided into 3 segments. Thorax is divided into 3 segments and abdomens में 10 segments present होते हैं. Okay. Now the exoskeleton of cockroach is made up of chitinous. The exoskeleton of cockroach is made up of chitin, है ना. तो exoskeleton किससे बना हुआ है? It is made up of chitin and it is called sclerite. Now we say sclerites, not say segments. तो अब क्या हुआ? Segments नहीं कहेंगे हम इसको, हम क्या बोलेंगे इसको? Sclerite. तो what is the exoskeleton? What is the exoskeleton? Exoskeleton is made up of chitin and that is called, and segment is called sclerites. And segments is called sclerites. That's in dorsal sclerite. In dorsal side, sclerites called tergum. On ventral side, it is called sternum, and on lateral side, it is called pleurites. And all the segments join to each other with the articular membrane or arthodial membrane. All segments join together with the articular membrane and or arthodial membrane. That is very important. Which type of membrane join the segments? So which type of membrane? Articular or arthodial membrane. Okay. So body is divided into segments, and skeleton is made up of, which one? Exoskeleton is made up of chitin and the segment is called sclerites. So we can say segments को हम क्या कहेंगे? We can say sclerites. So on the dorsal side segment is called tergum, and on the dorsal side sclerites is called tergum. Ventral side sclerites is called sternum, and lateral side sclerites is called pleurites. Okay. Now we go to the structure of head. Main features of head. Head is made up of 6 segments in embryonic stage. Okay. The head downwards, the head makes the angle of the longitudinal axis of the body. यानी जो head होता है वो body से क्या करता है? बॉडी की जो लॉन्गिट्यूडनल एक्सिस है उससे 90 डिग्री का कोण बनाता है, यानी 90 डिग्री का एंगल बनाता है. इस तरीके से ये डाउनवर्ड्स रहता है हमेशा. यूं कभी भी आप कॉकरोच को यूं जब होगा तो इस तरीके से रहता है, वो डाउनवर्ड्स बॉडी से इस तरीके रहता है. ठीक है ना. तो बॉडी से क्या करता है? हेड 90 डिग्री का एंगल बनाता है. और इस कंडीशन को अपन क्या कहते हैं? इस कंडीशन को कहते हैं हाइपोग्नेथस कंडीशन. Hypognathus. What is the hypognathus? That is a very important features of cockroach. It is only present in cockroach. And what is the hypognathus? When the head is downward and makes the 90-degree angle on the longitudinal axis of body is called hypognathus condition. Okay, so hypognathus condition presented here. On the apex of head is called vertex, and the two chitinous plate is called occiput, and on the lateral side of head a kidney shaped structure present, that is called compound eye. That is called compound eye, and its unit is ommatidia. What is the unit of compound eyes? The unit of compound eyes is ommatidia. Thousand ommatidia forms one compound eyes. So unit of compound eye is ommatidia. On the dorsal surface, a light brown spot is also present. That is called ocular spot or fenestra. That is called ocular spot or fenestra or inactive eye. Inactive eye. From the base of compound eyes, one pair antenna originated. Antenna, it is a antenna. That's function is touch, temperature, and receive the vibration. Okay. So on the apex of head is called vertex, and the two chitinous plate is called occiput. On the lateral side, a kidney shaped eyes are present, that is called compound eye. That its unit is ommatidia. 2000 ommatidia forms one compound eye. On the dorsal surface of compound eye, a light brown spot is present, that is called ocular spot or fenestra or inactive eye. क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में बहुत आता है नीट में कि इनएक्टिव आइज का अदर नेम क्या है, व्हाट इज द अदर नेम ऑफ द इनएक्टिव आई, तो अदर इनएक्टिव आइज का अदर नेम क्या है, ऑक्यूलर स्पॉट है या फेनेस्ट्रा है. ठीक है. In front of vertex, a large plate, chitinous plate is present, that is called frons, and in front of frons a large chitinous plate also present, that is called clypeus, and on the clypeus a movable structure are attached, that is called labrum or upper lip. Labrum or upper lip. Okay, so it is the main features of हेड. तो हेड किससे बना हुआ है, हेड का एपेक्स वाला भाग क्या कहलाता है, वर्टेक्स. वर्टेक्स पे टू काइटिनस प्लेट क्या है, ऑक्सीपुट. ऑक्सीपुट के वर्टेक्स के ठीक सामने यानी इन फ्रंट ऑफ वर्टेक्स विच स्ट्रक्चर इज कॉल्ड, तो वर्टेक्स के ठीक सामने वाला पार्ट फ्रॉन्स कहलाता है. फ्रॉन्स से काइटिनस प्लेट अटैच रहती है जिसे क्लाइपियस कहते हैं. क्लाइपियस से भी एक मूवेबल प्लेट लगी हुई रहती है जिससे हम क्या कहते हैं, अटैच होती है. मूवेबल प्लेट ऑल्सो अटैच फ्रॉम क्लाइपियस, इट इज कॉल्ड लेब्रम. ओके, तो हेड का सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज जो आपको यह लर्न कर रखनी है, रिमेम्बर रखना है, वो क्या है, हाइपोग्नेथस. जब हेड बॉडी की लॉन्गिट्यूडनल एक्सेस से यानी लॉन्ग एक्सेस से 90 डिग्री का एंगल बनाता है इस तरीके से, ये बॉडी इस तरीके से रहेगा, तो उसको हम क्या कहते हैं, हाइपोग्नेथस कंडीशन कहते हैं. क्लियर. नाउ we start. How many legs are present in cockroach? In cockroach, 3 pair legs present. How many? 3 pairs. That is originated from prothorax, mesothorax and metathorax. How many legs are present? 3 pairs. That is originated from thorax region, from prothorax, from mesothorax and metathorax. So 3 pairs legs are present. Now we study what is the structure of legs. Before starting of lax structure, we will start the mouth parts. In cockroach, mouth parts is biting and chewing type, mouth parts. We will study of mouth parts. Mouth parts क्या है? Mouth parts, which type of mouth parts are present in cockroach? In cockroach, biting and chewing type. Biting and chewing types of mouth parts present. It is also called mandibulate. So, in cockroach, biting and chewing types mouth parts present. It is also called mandibulate types. How many mouth parts are present in cockroach? The mouth parts surround the mouth and forms pre-oral cavity. Understand? माउथ पार्ट्स ने क्या किया? माउथ पार्ट्स ने किसको सराउंडेड? सारे माउथ पार्ट्स ने इसने सराउंड कर लिया माउथ को। और एक प्री-ओरल कैविटी और सीवेरियम है ना, प्री-ओरल कैविटी का दूसरा नाम क्या है? सीवेरियम, उसको फॉर्म कर दिया। माउथ पार्ट ने किसको सराउंडेड किया? माउथ को, एंड फॉर्म सराउंडेड द एंड फॉर्म, क्या फॉर्म किया? प्री-ओरल कैविटी। दैट्स अदर नेम इज सीवेरियम। ओके, नाउ how many mouth parts are present? One is labrum. Labrum, all structure are made up of chitinous except hypopharynx. Except hypopharynx. All structure of mouth parts is made up of chitinous except hypopharynx. Means hypopharynx is a non-chitinous structure. Okay, it is a very important features. Now, the first is labrum or upper lip. It is attached with the chitinous plate of Clypeus on the head structure. Now, it is only one number of labrum is one. Now, one pair of mandible is present. It is one pair. Okay, and labrum is the single, only one. So, mandible is the one pair, and it is present on the lateral side of pre-oral cavity, and it is its inner side is teeth-like, है ना? Its inner side is teeth-like, and its function is grinding of food. It is one pair. Now, first maxilla is the one pair. It is also present on the lateral side of pre-oral cavity, and it is one pair. नाम क्या है? Maxilla. One pair. Okay. Now, labium. Labium, it forms the floor of pre-oral cavity, and it is also called labium and lower lip. All these structures are made up of chitinous except hypopharynx. Hypopharynx is a non-chitinous structure, and it is also work as a tongue. So इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? So it is called ligula. So it is called tongue or ligula, in which salivary ducts open. In which salivary ducts open. Okay. So mouth parts, what is the mouth parts? Mouth parts of cockroach is biting and chewing type. It is also called mandibulate type. It's all the structure of mouth parts are chitinous except hypopharynx. Only one lower lip is present. And lower lip नहीं है, it is upper lip. Okay, upper lip. One single, only one labrum is present, that is attached with the Clypeus on the head structure. Now one pair mandible present, it is a chitinous structure and it is present on the lateral side of preoral cavity. Now the one pair maxilla, first maxilla भी बोल सकते हैं इसको, first maxilla और second maxilla बोलते हैं labium को, इसको second maxilla भी बोलते हैं, है ना. First pair maxilla maxilla, it is present on the lateral side of preoral cavity and it is also a chitinous structure. Now the next second labium or second maxilla or labium, it is present on the floor of preoral cavity. It is present on the floor of preoral cavity and its number is single, 1. It is 1. And it is also called lower lip. Now, the maxillary palp is the 5-segmented structure that is originated from the first maxilla, है ना? And the labial palp is the 3-segmented structure. Okay? Now, we study the structure of legs.